Good day, everyone. I am Liza Marie Torvita, and today I want to share to you the role of Philippine literature in English in shaping global views of the Philippines, with its subtitle examining how Philippine authors challenge stereotypes about Filipino culture and history in a global context. Next is the impact on Western audiences and the international literary community. So, what is Philippine literature? Philippine literature in English has played a significant role in shaping global views of the Philippines by offering diverse perspective, showcasing the country's rich cultural heritage, and highlighting its unique socio-political history. Historical context of the Philippine literature in English. Colonial history. The Philippines was colonized by Spain, the United States, and Japan, which heavily influenced its literary tradition. The rise of English literature. After American colonization, English became a medium of instruction, leading to the emergence of a distinct Philippine literature in English. Challenging stereotypes in Filipino culture and history. Filipinos are often stereotyped as poor, submissive, and overly dependent on Western ideals. The author's prose challenge these stereotypes by highlighting the diversity, resilience, and intellectual richness of the Filipino culture. For example, Carlos Bulusan's America is in the Heart challenges the stereotype of Filipinos as passive by depicting the immigrant experience of struggle and resistance. Next is Jose Rizal's Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, confront colonial oppression and assert Filipino agency. Representation of Filipino identity in global context. Cultural richness. Filipino authors present stories that emphasize the complexity of Filipino identity, including themes like family, spirituality, and regional diversity. For breaking the stereotypes rather than focusing on poverty or political struggles, authors explore resilience, community, and culture. For examples, Nick Joaquin's works like The Woman Who Had Two Novels present the complexity of Philippine identity, breaking breaking the narratives of the Philippine literature. Impact on Western audiences. New perspectives. Through literature, Filipino authors offer Western audiences a deeper, more nuanced understanding of the Philippines beyond the image of a developing country or a land of natural disasters. Humanizing Filipino experience. The exploration of universal themes like family, identity, and social justice resonates with global readers. For example, Jessica Hagedorn's Dog Eaters challenges Western perceptions by depicting Filipino society in the 20th century, full of complexity and contradiction. Impact on the international literary community. Global recognition. Filipino authors have gained international acclaim, bringing Philippine literature into the global spotlight. For literary influence, their work influenced global discussions on post-colonialism, identity, and social justice. For example, Miguel Cejuco's Ilustrado won the Man Asians Literary Prize, gaining attention for its innovative narrative and exploration of Filipino history. Optional Jose has been recognized globally for his critical exploration, class, colonialism, and identity. Philippine literature and the power of language. English has as a tool for global reach. While Filipino culture is often expressed in local languages, English provides a platform for reaching a broader and global audience. Language and identity. Despite using English, Filipino authors retain their unique voices, presenting works that highlight the complexity of language and cultural identity. Conclusion. Philippine literature is an English challenges stereotypes about the culture and history of the Philippines. Filipino authors provide global audiences with a richer, more accurate portrayal of Filipino identity and experiences. Their works influenced the international literary community and challenged Western perspectives, enriching the global literary landscape. So, if you have questions and discussion, I have here a question, and if you got the answer, you might comment down below for your answer. How do you think literature can further impact the global perception of the Philippines? Next, what other Filipino authors or works have contributed to reshaping global views? So, if you have answered, just comment down below. And that's all for my presentation, and I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for listening.